how to change your email on Clubhouse. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial on Clubhouse. In this tutorial, you would learn how you can change your email on Clubhouse. So if this is your question, ensure you watch till the end. The first step is for you to log in into your Clubhouse account, just like I've done here. And then once you're logged in, move to the top right corner, click on your profile icon. Once you're on your profiles page, the next step is to click on settings. And then on the settings page, select your username again and your full name. And once you're on your account settings page, you can see some options like full name, alias, phone number, email, username. Click on the email. And then for me, I have not added my email, all right, so I'm just going to add it now. But for you, your email will be displayed there, and you would have an option for you to erase the one you have before and then entering the new one. And then you click on the verify button, which is located by the bottom part. Then an email will be sent to the email that you've entered in. Click on the email, verify your email on your Clubhouse, and then that way your email will be changed easily. So that is how cool and simple it is. So ensure you try this out as soon as you can. Thank you very much for watching, everybody, and have a good day.